Assalamu alaikum. Today I will explain some mathematical term which is about time relativity, and the formula is TE equal to TL by root over 1 minus B square by C square. Here TE means the time of Earth and TL means a random person who is traveling in a spaceship, and that person, the feeling of that person time. That's the TL. Now, TE equal to TL by root over 1 minus B square by C square. We know that C is the speed of light, and we will give the value of B equal to 0. That means 0 square by C square equal to 0. That means root over 1 minus 0. So root over 1 minus 0 equals to root over 1. That means 1. So we will crisscross this equation. Then it will be TL equal to TE. That means the Earth time and the random person TL time is similar. So if the Earth pass 1 year, then the random person TL will also pass 1 year. So here will be no difference between these two sectors. So two sectors time will be no difference. The second term, the same formula. Here we will put V square equal to 0.19 C square. So 0.19 C square by C square equal to, if you cross the C square by C square, thus it will be 0.19. That means root over 1 minus 0.19. Then it will be root over 0.81. Then it will be 0.9. So now if I crisscross this equation, then it will be TL equal to T into 0.9. If the Earth time past 10 years, then it will be the TL random person past 9 years. Now, in the third term, here we will put V square equal to 0.75 C square. Then it will C square by C square equal to 1. That means root over 1 minus 0.75. Then it will be 0.5. Then if I crisscross this, then TL equal to 0.5 into TE. That means if the Earth's time will pass 10 years, and then the TL person will pass just 5 years. Again, in the fourth term, here we will put V square equal to 0.99 C square. Then C square by C square equal to cross, and it will be root over 1 minus 0.99. Then it will be only root over 0.01. Then it will be just 0.1. Then if I crisscross this equation, then it will be TL equal to 0.1 into TE. That means if the Earth's time pass 10 years, and the TL person just pass just 1 year. Just understand that if we just increase the velocity of that person, then time will just slow it for that person, that TL person. So the moral thing is that if we increase the velocity, then the time will just slow it for that person. That's the moral theme of this term. First I clarify that if we give that kind of value, the term will give you that kind of answer. So that means it is a if conditional term. So if we give that kind of value, and that term will give you that kind of answer. That's the moral talk of mine. So here we will give V square equal to C square. That means C square by C square equal to 1. That means root over 1 minus 1. That means 0. That means root over 0 equal to 0. So here the TL equal to 0 multiplied with TE. That means 0. So that's the answer of this term. That means TL equal to 0. So if the time of Earth is 10 years, any kind of years, then the time of the TL person is just only 0. In the last video session, I tell you that my all of this series videos just to solve an Islamic question. I will tell that Islamic question in my next any video, and till to then, just stay with this series. Allah Hafiz.